Except for the creepy alley down below.
Peppa the pig in my picture.
This is my room. Do you guys turn on like the fan? It feels so good. I love it. It's insane, our view.
I know.
Oh. My room. The entrance. The kitchen. The view from the kitchen. The bathroom. Oh wait, where's the light? The bathroom. Yeah, there's like 1/4 of toilet paper.
Hello everyone.
Oh god. Someone left me a letter. Try to be lucky enough to be reading this. Welcome to Madrid. My name is Willow and I'm about to leave after being here for 5 months. Oh my god. Is this like all the campus?
I think so, yeah.
My campus, look at it. That is so cute. It's so hot. My toes are numb. My big toes, I can't feel them. Perfect. Hello everyone, so I barely took any video because, well, like this whole entire time I've just been taking like little videos because there's so much going on that like I can't really stop and explain things or also ignore the fan. It's so hot in here, there's no air conditioning, but my room is a mess, but I can show around. So my room starts here. I put up these pictures so it wouldn't be so plain. There's more over there and more here. It's such a mess, like, yeah, I don't want to talk about it. There's really no there's only shelving, so there's no drawers, and this is even more of a mess, so that's that. I have clothes in here and clothes in there, and then I just put my laundry in this area right there, and there's 2 jackets, umbrella, my headrest. So yeah, it's small, but we have an amazing view. I love it so much. And everything's just everywhere. An overview. I love to keep the windows open so the air all comes through. Like there's such a breeze. And you get to see how pretty it is. Oh my god. I love it. We actually found out that our TV doesn't work, so that's great. Here's some books. I actually need this book for school, so I'm gonna grab that. Roommate's room. The bathroom. Once again, this is all after we have settled in. Oh gosh. So this week has been so hectic and just so much has been happening. We've been doing so much. So I landed in Madrid and then we went straight to a hotel where we did some orientation. And orientation was really fun because we got to all hang out with each other in all the group, and everyone's been making friends with each other. It's really awesome. We've done so much and it's been so much fun. Yesterday was my first day of school. I have all Spanish classes and then 4 credits worth of classes at my home university. It's fine. I mean, it's only my 2nd day of school and it's a very small class, like 6 people in my class, and the professor is so nice. There's really not much to it. The campus is pretty tiny, but it does the job and it's super cute. I have to take the metro by myself. Today was like the first time I actually did it and then changed lines. It was pretty easy. The metro is easiest, but the bus system is so confusing, so I have to walk 15 minutes from my metro stop to my apartment, but I'm very proud of myself. We went to so many different places. I mainly just took videos everywhere because it's kind of difficult when you're doing so much. It's like the last thing you want to do is have to I don't know. I was just too tired to even take pictures. And I love taking pictures. So that's just how tired I was. We walked at least 7 miles a day this week and my toes went numb. That's how much walking we did. I ended up getting a single room, which is great. I love it. It's tiny, but it's so like comfortable. I should do my homework, but we've gone out a couple of times, like Capital, and we've just gone to like the park late at night, just all sat around and talked. It's more like you text a group chat like, oh hey, I'm doing this, does anybody else want to come? And then people come and then you make more friends, you talk to them all. It's really fun. There's this Euro place outside of my school. Everything's a Euro, €1.50. They're little tiny sandwiches, but they're pretty good, and you can get any type of drink for €1. It's amazing. We actually need to go to the supermarket and buy stuff because I've been spending so much money on food. Last night we went to this place in our town and it was just not good. If you wanted a bocadillo, it was a bocadillo with one thing on it, like chorizo or calamores. I'm not very good at pronouncing things, so I bought some Oreos, not Euros, at school, so I'm gonna eat them after this. I should probably clean up my room and make my bed since the sheets are half falling off. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it, even though I couldn't get this up right away because I didn't have much content to it, but I kind of like those. I just like to see everything around. I try to talk as much as I could, like I said. Now I'm explaining everything. I don't know, my mom is coming to visit me. She's gonna bring me some things that I really need. Thank you, Mom. Yeah, I have to go buy my books from the bookstore today. That's probably what I'm doing. Sometimes we'll just do something spontaneous and all of a sudden we're somewhere else. Who knows? I really love it here. Everything is so different. They'll do like a day in my life, or we'll see. Thanks for watching.
Nobody's looking. I am.